Good afternoon po to all of you. Thank you so much for taking time to come here and to attend in this media launch product event. So thank you all of you. Again, thank you for everyone. And thank you for joining us today at this exciting milestone for Maxis and CST. The product launch isn't just about introducing new tires, but it's about forging stronger partnership, exploring new opportunities, and setting a bold direction for the future. This media launch makes a strategic step forward. We are not only unveiling new products, we are entering into new segments, targeting untapped customers, and expanding our reach across the Philippines. The Philippine tire market continues to grow despite of challenging economy and considering a lot of global disturbances such as the wars and the tariffs of Trump. However, the motor vehicle registered is around approximately 13 million last year, and the growth is steadily growing year on year across all segments like passenger, SUVs, utilities, commercial fleets, and most especially motorcycles. The demand for quality, competitively priced tires has never been greater. The growing demand for tires is driven by rising vehicle ownership, the surge in logistics and mobility needs, and the evolving expectation of consumers, particularly the younger digital-first generation. The market is more diverse and dynamic than ever. There's one principle, though, that can help us sell tires better, and it's this: know your customers. Today, I'd like to share some thoughts on how we view the market and how our two strong brands, Maxis and CST, are uniquely positioned to capture every opportunity within it. Let's start with a very simple but crucial questions. Who are we selling? Who are we really selling to? This brings us to market segmentation. Understanding different types of customers we serve based on their behaviors, lifestyles, and needs. In the Philippines, we see 5 key segments. First is we call car enthusiasts. These are the customers that who really love their cars and who prefer branded tires and not very conscious or not conscious about the price. They just want branded. Okay? So the practical family drivers, these are the common family or a professional who drives a car for their daily livelihood, day to day, day in and day out. They just wanted safety, durable, high mileage tires. The first time buyers, these are more on younger generations that who bought their cars for the first time. They're not really that price conscious or could be price conscious, but they are their knowledge or their understanding of tires is more driven, or they got it from the social media. So these are the tech savvy. So the used car buyers, these are, of course, they're very price conscious as well. And but however, they also like branded tires or good tires as long as there's a special offer. Budget conscious, as the name itself, budget, or price conscious, so they really look first at the price and then second at the value for the quality. So actually, the reason why I am telling you all this, because you might be wondering why, how are we going to position Maxis and CST in the market? Normally when you launch something, you launch one only, because if you launch 2 at the same time, it would be harder to differentiate. So that's why I have explain to you first before explaining the brand positioning of our two both strong brands. Told you about the 5 market sectors or market segments in the Philippines. Sorry, guys. So for Maxis, we position Maxis as the trusted quality, proven performance. Stands as the premium choice, trusted globally, and loved by drivers who won't compromise on safety, performance, and reliability. So that's how we position Maxis. On the other hand, CST is safe, great performance, economically priced. So the same commitment to performance at a more economical price, the smart value choice for everyday Filipino riders and drivers. So together, they allow us to serve all customer types, ensuring we never miss a sale, and more importantly, never miss a need. And as of the road ahead continues to evolve, the SUV becoming lifestyle choices, electric vehicles transitioning from future to present, and motorcycles remaining essential, our tire technology is also evolving. We are launching today reflects that evolution. Our EV tire series is designed for low rolling resistance, durability, and quad performance, tailored to the demands of electric mobility. Our SUV tires control or deliver control, comfort, and confidence whether on the city roads or rugged terrain. Our motorcycle tires continue to support the daily riders and with excellent grip, safety, and dependability. This launch is driven by purpose. Not just introduce products, but to enable growth to sales, growth in market research, and growth in our partnership with the tire dealers and with you, our valued media partners, whose voice helps us reach the customers we aim to serve. Let's celebrate innovation, opportunity, and collaboration. Thank you po very much.